So hello guys, I'll talk about the trade I took like like yesterday around like what 12 a.m. So what happened was everything was in place, bearish, 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 bearish. So what I did was I was gonna I was gonna wait off this break of structure. But what I did was I was more patient. Like I waited for this fair value gap, you know. I mean, I waited for this fair value gap as you can see right here. I waited for the 5-minute fair value gap. Then it did hit. I was waiting for confluences. Then it went price up. A lot of retests. Maybe I could have entered off here. Maybe get more profits. But then maybe I could have waited for like a 1-minute break of structure, or something like that. Right here. Maybe I could have entered off here. Then then yeah. It did hit our first take profit. Then just liquid. It was up, like they did it perfect. Maybe right here, right here, right here, because it was this like what 5-minute order block or something. I don't know what happened. I honestly, or this fair value gap and just did this low. I don't know. Just market experience. I didn't know that was gonna. I don't know. It was just market experience, honestly. Anyways, I might again take a trade because this is like 12 a.m. So maybe what I could have done better is like what go to the 1-minute scale, more scale to the 1 minute and wait for a bigger structure to have better RR when looking for a retrace. So maybe that's what I could have done, have more, yeah, to have, it's, shit, I, right here, maybe I could have entered off here or something. Maybe I could have entered off here, bigger structure, then yeah, anyways, it is what it is. We still won the trade. I'm thankful for that. I finally won the trade, like fully. Then yeah, let's look for a trade today. Anyways, let's remove all that. So I think we're still bearish. Yeah, we're still bearish here. Maybe you can see this. Maybe you can argue this is what a order block. It did hit right here. Let's see. So here, chop, boom, rally down. See in 1 hour. This might be a fair rally gap right here also. Tapped in this, rally down. But it's bearish still. I mean it's bearish. Block structure right here. We're gonna wait for more confluences maybe. Here I think it's gonna be structure right here. But let's keep pushing price down. Here. So maybe if it did break structure right there, I might enter trade. Maybe wait for like what? It did break structure right here. Maybe this support level. The support level. Maybe leg down there, as you can see. I don't know. Maybe we can target this liquidity. This liquidity right here. Something like that. And maybe yeah. 15 minutes bearish. 5-minute is bearish too. Is it? It is. Anyways, let's wait for maybe like this structure to be broken out. As maybe if it did push price up, it means it respects the support level. And yeah, maybe we can wait for retest again right here. This fair value gap. Wait for a break structure again. But yeah, but maybe if it did break structure right here, where can price go down? maybe to this fair value gap, but there's nothing really much, a lot of volatility right here. Sweep this liquidity down, fair value gap, I mean. I don't really know what I'm entering off. I'm just entering off a liquidity sweep and a break of structure. It's not really a retrace right there, so maybe if it breaks structure right here, I'm just gonna wait for something to come up, or maybe price to went back here and just go down. In the 1 minute, I don't really wanna look at here something and stuff like that, maybe, argue this is like a resistance level to support resistance. And bum 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 bum, rally up, rally down, and yeah, stuff like that. So maybe I'll update you guys when I take a trade. Yeah, so not really much news today. I mean, this stuff, but you know, it's like 8:30 p.m. No, so you can see it's like 8:35. Right? It's 8:43 a.m. Well, there's not even much news for the day. Friday. Uh, Nothing really. Oh, yes, this is a bank holiday. So maybe just, crypto's 24/7 though. So yeah. So if it did break this, like maybe here, maybe we can enter off that. Yeah, push price up, rally down, but I'm gonna wait for something. Just gonna wait for 9 o'clock to hit, then I'm gonna trade. Honestly, I don't really want to enter off, FOMO and stuff. That's my, I've already, like, that was already my wrong in doing this stuff like that. Even, might break out this resistance level, maybe, 5 minute fair value up here. It push price up, down, something. Not a volatility here, honestly. Or maybe we can wait for a break. I think it's gonna break of structure in naman. Yeah, so anyways guys, so maybe maybe this level 2, if it did break off this, we can look for that. To get hit or something. Anyways guys, yeah, I'll update you guys later if I took a trade or not. I probably will with this market with the way I'm seeing things. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. So hello guys, let's talk about the trade I took today. So you guys might see, I won this trade, okay. But what happened was, good 2.4 risk reward ratio. But what happened was, I only won like here. Okay, I'll explain. So let's talk about our confluences first. Wait a minute. So what happened was, everything was bearish. Okay, everything was bearish and stuff. So I waited for this fair value gap. It did hit. I couldn't enter. There was like, so I went like to the 1 minute time frame. Then I entered off a 1 minute break of structure right here. And then we waited for retest and such. Then yeah, I got it. Then what happened was, after a few minutes, like 10 minutes, it did hit our first take profit. So what I did essentially, move my stop loss to break even. But what I did was, I put my break even was here, right? So it couldn't hit. So but what happened was, I put my stop loss at like just below our break even. So like it was like 6. I remember it's 3466, and our my break even was 346.85. So it marked out, like it tapped in that area. That's why I marked this out, and then our orders, then it just ripped down. We could have had a lot of profits. I was kind of frustrated. I was kind of fuming, but I just watched TikToks to cope with myself, and stuff. So I calmed down a little bit, and I said to myself, I won the trade, bro. I won with everything I did. Uh, well, I can't be too mad because as the previous days I was losing too much. It was better to move. It was better to win. I was high probable, so I think my take profits were like, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's like this fair value gap, this fair value gap, and just honestly just value gaps, honestly just this fair value gaps, then it can move past that and stuff, you know. And yeah, anyways, like we're really pushing price down, bro. Like literally pushing price down. Maybe 4 hour. Maybe I can still look for trading. There is news. So it might still go up. I know price might go up, honestly. You know, uh anyways, yeah. There's price. I think there's not much movement, bro. Honestly, it's like what? It was like 8:30. Not much movement, a little volatile. Nothing really much. So yeah. It was very unlucky, but from the things I have done in the past, from losing and stuff, I think I can't really be too mad about this. I said myself, don't focus on the money. I won the trade, very thankful, but I made little profits, but profit is profit. You know, I took my, I just took a what? How much is it? Like a point 0.7 something, 0.7 trade. I could have won 2.4, but it is what it is, guys. I won the trade. Don't get me wrong. I won the trade. So I think what happened was is it tapped it it tapped in this fair value gap. You can see here. Then push price back down. I was very unlucky. Maybe that's something I should learn today. Put my stop loss literally to break even. Like literally to this break even. If I had, then I could have made a lot more money. But money is really involved in these emotions. You can't be too mad about it. Because So I think yeah. Anyways, yeah. Let's just see. It's still bearish. It pushed price up here. I don't really know what happened. I think it's still bearish. Honestly, we're still bearish. It's still bearish, bro. Pushing price down, but a lot of maybe this is some resistance level or something. Pushing price up, push price down, but it can't push price down. It's 15 minute. I think this is bearish, right? Bearish. Broke structure right around here, I think, or right around here. Yeah, it's 5 minute. 5 minutes still. Might have tapped in this fair value gap. Or something right there. Maybe we can wait for like a reaction and stuff. Maybe wait for a 5 minute fair value gap right there. This actually might be a good trade. Maybe tap. Maybe target liquidities right here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Maybe right here. Yeah, anyways, maybe let's look for what happens. But yeah, we finally won, guys. I'm very happy with this trade, and it my bias was correct. If I did that just little mistake. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. We finally won. I'm very thankful, guys. And yeah, maybe the lesson for today is to to keep calm. Even if days are coming. I think just have to be mentally reset. Reset your mind and stuff like that. So yeah, be calm. Days are coming. Better days are coming, and yeah, yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in next video. Peace.